Hey folks, my name is Colin Fraser. I'm going to be your guide through the step-by-step guide to building your website with a web template. This is probably going to be one of the first videos that you're going to be watching, and I'm going to demonstrate how to download a template from your account. One of the things you'll notice through pretty much all the demonstrations that require use of a web browser is I'll be demonstrating with Firefox. As you read through the tips section later on, you'll see why I've chosen Firefox as my primary browser. Just keep in mind, if you're going to be working with something else right now, Safari or Internet Explorer, when you download the product, as long as you know where it downloads to, it doesn't really matter which browser you use. I'll be using Firefox in the demonstration though. So once we've logged into our account at myi3dthemes.com, just click on the download button. And then you'll be presented with a couple of tabs up here, like 4 of them, and select My Website Template, or Website Template for short, then download. Here we have the End User License Agreement and a refund and exchange policy. Just read through those before clicking on the boxes. You have to select the boxes before you can download after you've read that. Now you have 2 options down below. We have the template package and we have the source files. Now source files are the original artwork created in Adobe Fireworks. For graphic designers and developers who want to make significant changes to the artwork and the colors, the files are there for you to use. You will need Adobe Fireworks CS3 or higher. If you don't know what source files are or what Adobe Fireworks is, don't worry about it. That's really for folks that are going to be doing this for clients and for larger projects. We just simply provide all the files and materials that we use to create the template for those that want to make significant changes down the road. The next thing you need to really look at is the actual package itself. We have the package name in a zip format, and you can choose the editor you're going to be working with. If you do select Expression Web 4 or Dreamweaver CS, you'll have the option of HTML5 or XHTML. Just an important thing to note for Expression Web 4 users, if you haven't updated Expression Web 4 with Service Pack 1 and 2, then you'll need to go out to Google and download those versions. We have some links provided online for you as well. If you don't do that, HTML5 won't look so pretty in your editor. So once you've selected a package type and the format, hit the download button. Now this may take a few minutes to put together if it's the first time, so be patient. The more things you have in your package, such as add-on functionality like access control or newsletter, guestbook, that type of a thing, the longer it will take to assemble the package. Right? Just give it a few seconds. Once it's assembled, then the browser will automatically start to download it for you or throw up a little window saying, hey, would you like to open or save this? Just save it, and I really suggest you save it to your desktop. That way you can easily find it later on. Which goes to my next hint. If you haven't cleaned off your desktop in a few weeks, months, or years, you might want to go and get rid of all the junk on there and make it easier to build a website, because we're going to be using our desktop as sort of a gathering place for a lot of the files as we go through the step-by-step guide. There we go. Firefox has thrown its download window up in my face here, and we now see that the file is downloading happily to my computer. So once it's downloaded, I'll be able to extract it. We'll cover that in the next video.